Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial about getting rid of the adware type software called EditExecute. EditExecute is the adware type software attacking Mac computers only these days. So this adware called EditExecute may attack Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers, even though Safari is being the main target of this adware. This adware, once installed, may start displaying the tremendous portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So, if you have found its presence on your Mac, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.